To the right, our two solo pilots are making their approach to the flight line. Approaching center point, they will simultaneously roll their aircraft 450 degrees in section. Ladies and gentlemen, the very precise double tuck-over roll. The four Diamond pilots are setting up for one of the more difficult and dynamic rolling maneuvers, the tuck-over brake. Approaching center point in left pitch-long formation, each pilot will roll his aircraft 270 degrees in river fashion, take separation, and rejoin Captain McWhirter in the Diamond formation.